Hi, I'm Nermin, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. Let me introduce you to my dish. This is a fish fillet with an excellent, delicious green sauce. Now let's make first our sauce. To the container of a food processor, I'm gonna add all my herbs. Any combination that you like will work just fine. I'm gonna add my garlic, some salt, a splash of vinegar, I would say like a teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, some cayenne, some paprika, and we blend everything together. While the machine is running, I'm gonna drizzle slowly my olive oil. Now I'm gonna transfer this luscious sauce into a serving bowl. And now I'm gonna set this sauce aside. Now I'm gonna make a dry wrap for my fish fillet and I'm gonna shallow fry it. It has some salt, garlic granules or garlic powder, both will work fine, some cumin, some coriander, black or white pepper, and a drizzle of lemon. I'm gonna rub it very well. Okay, it's ready. Okay, now my pan is hot. It's not gonna take more than 2 to 3 minutes on every side. I'll get this out. And now I'm gonna deglaze the pan with some lemon juice. Just deglaze it. This will make a delicious sauce to serve over the fish. This step is optional, but I really like to serve this lemony sauce over the fish. Now let's serve the fish. I will put that beautiful fish in the middle. I added some minced shallots to my green sauce. And now I'm gonna add another dollop of that delicious sauce over the fish. This is an excellent dish that I would strongly recommend. Try it, leave a comment, and I will be back with another Mediterranean recipe.